Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series on machine learning in Python and R. So we have seen about in our starting of machine learning series why you should learn machine learning. I have given you plenty of reason to learn machine learning. So if you have got convinced, stay with me. I'll show you the full big world of machine learning if you are a beginner or intermediate programmer. So we have seen why you should learn machine learning. Now we'll move towards what is machine learning. So let's start. Do you know how child learns? Every time the child sees something or hears something, we have pointed out to the child that this is the dog, this is the cat. This way we feed it a hell lot of information into the child's brain. Once the child sees lot of data, lot of example, lot of voice, lot of images, lot of video, lot of touch related information, it tries to come up with some kind of model, or it will generate those kind of model inside that brain. So that is what we call as a child starts learning, so that whenever the next time same kind of images or a voice or a video it encounters, it immediately recognizes that, oh dad, I have seen that thing. Oh mom, this is a great actually. Yesterday only I heard that voice. This is a very nice song. So this way child build up the model about our world. Same way those capability of the child brain or even adult brain, what we have in our brain as a human, we try to incorporate those things into machine, and that is nothing but the machine learning. So simple, teach to machine, explain to machine, and machine will start understand. That is nothing but the machine learning algorithm, and machine will start learning. You can say machine will start learning. So at last I just want to show you, and I want to give you a very good impression that make machine learn by your algorithm, and 21st century will be yours, because every single application you are going to use or you are using currently will anyhow incorporate this machine learning component now and definitely in a future. So whether you need to decide you want to be a part of this community or not, that is what the machine learning. Machine will start learning. Now let's understand very conceptually and a very technical way what is machine learning. So let's first understand before machine learning how our traditional system of computing, the Turing machine, was working. So what is happening in a traditional system of computing, we are giving the input data to our traditional system of computing plus the program written by the programmer like us. Once we feed this data to this kind of program, this traditional system of computing, the Turing system of machine, will give us eventually the result. But the very big drawbacks, or you can't say just the drawbacks, but every time we need to encounter this kind of logical or mathematical rule, we need to extract this kind of pattern, and then only machine will act on it and it will give us the result. But can you think of little different, that if we feed this 2, 3 and a 5 to this machine, and can machine will come up with such a kind of program? Can machine extract those kind of pattern for us? Can machine learn from this kind of data? And that is nothing but the machine learning. So in this example we are giving input to the machine plus the program to the machine, and it will give us the output. But all these rules are hard coded. Every time we change the rule, the system change, but system needs to get system updated, we need to change this rule. Programmer has to write the new rule, programmer has to write the new program. But in case of machine learning, we are not going to write this kind of program. We are going to get very much lazy in the future. So instead of writing this kind of program, what machine learning will do, machine will start taking this data like a 2 comma 3 corresponding output is 5, 1 comma 3 corresponding out is 4, 2 comma 2 corresponding output is 4, and we will fit to the machine learning black box system, machine learning algorithm, and machine learning algorithm will tell, based on data you have given me, I have come up with a program that is nothing but the addition rule are been extracted from the data you have been given. So this kind of rule will be automatically updated. Once you change the data, again same machine learning algorithm should come up with this kind of different rule, this kind of different program. So in future, programmer do not need to write this kind of program explicitly. We do not need to write hell lot of different kind of program. Instead of that, we will just fit this kind of hell lot of data to the machine learning algorithm, and it will come up with such a kind of program. So that is the basic difference between the traditional system of computing and a machine learning system, and machine learning is going to become a future because we do not need to write this kind of rule explicitly. Machine learning will come up with such a kind of rule automatically for us, and that is what happening in every different aspect right now. In an online web application you are using, mobile application you are using. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is nothing but the automation of automation. You are trying to automate the automation itself. It is extracting the pattern. It is nothing but it's a pattern recognition system. We are trying to recognize any kind of pattern exists in your data. So machine learning is the future. So that's it for this lecture, friends. I hope you enjoy listening this video, and in a future lecture we are going to see more about machine learning, that where machine learning is. If you want me to explain more about the machine learning, more different aspects of machine learning, please write it to comment. I'll be very happy to help you. That's it for this lecture, friends, and thank you guys for the watching.